Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm with Collin and Cindy, and I don't get a chance to visit many owners, so this is kind of a rare opportunity for me. So I wanted to ask a couple questions: how you got to know us, and what are some of the things that you like about your Luxe?
Well, we went to the Tampa RV show, and we were looking at DRVs and one other, I think. And we sort of stumbled across you as we were walking down the fifth wheel aisle, and I forget I think it was the owner of the company that took us on a tour, and that's how we figured out what we wanted to do.
Yeah, we just walked in, and just the feel of it, the look of the craftsmanship, and for me, all the molding, everything was just so meticulous and beautiful. This is better than any others.
I just like the walls. I mean, that was my first impression, really, because in a lot of other DRVs and stuff like that, you feel this texture on the wall that just didn't look solid, and the foam walls just felt completely different, that kind of thing. And it was also the fact that it was painted. That was the first impression. Then we had learned a lot about other stuff as we went along. So it was kind of good.
Yeah. So you guys have been living in it for how long?
A year.
Almost a year now.
And it's working out good?
Yeah.
Yeah, so far everything's working out well.
Great.
We've had a few issues, but they were taken care of.
And you're full-time?
We're full-time.
Nice.
I like living on the road. It's freeing.
Yeah, I'm still getting used to it, but it's still kind of nice.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. Well, thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.